To import a Zopa Fixed Saver, you will need to follow a series of steps to ensure a seamless and successful process. First, you need to have a Zopa account. If you don't have one, you will need to sign up for one. Once you have your account, you can log in and navigate to the savings section where you will find the Fixed Saver option. Next, you will need to choose the term of your fixed saver. This can range from 1 to 5 years, depending on your financial goals and needs. After selecting your term, you will need to deposit the minimum required amount into your fixed saver account. To fund your fixed saver, you can use a debit card or set up a direct debit from your bank account. You can also transfer funds from an existing Zopa account. It is essential to note that once you have deposited your funds, you will not be able to access them until the end of the term. So it is crucial to ensure you have enough money set aside for emergencies. After depositing your funds, you will be able to view your fixed saver details, including the interest rate, term, and projected return. You will also be able to track the progress of your savings and see how much interest you have earned. It is also important to note that Zopa Fixed Saver is a fixed-rate product, which means that the interest rate is fixed for the term of the product, and you will know exactly how much interest you will earn. Additionally, your savings are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which covers deposits up to £85,000. In conclusion, importing a Zopa Fixed Saver is a straightforward process that requires you to have a Zopa account, choose your term, deposit your funds, and track your savings. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can make the most of your Zopa Fixed Saver and achieve your financial goals.